Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to force desktop mode on Android. So, you can try to force it by access or enable the developer option first. You can tap on about phone and then you can try to tap repeatedly on build number until notifications show up. Now you can access developer option on additional setting. Tap additional tap developer option, then scroll down and try to search force desktop mode on Android. This one, force experimental desktop mode on secondary displays. If you turn this on, you can allow application to open in floating windows even the device was not intended for freedom mode like most phones. And if you connect an external display, for example a monitor over USB Type-C, this will force to use simplistic desktop interface with freeform windows and custom launcher. This exact implementation of this varies by Android skin and version. In some devices have their own behavior that override this option. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.